What's going on, guys? So I'm going to show you why I traded ticker LASE. So I am on the hourly chart to start, and I didn't. I usually go to the 5 year one day to start, but there's not much history on this stock. So to get my levels more precise, I went right to the hourly. The 4 hour wasn't cutting it either. So first, I mark my major levels. So you can see I like this level at 288. You can see it respected this level right here. Was close to respecting it right here. I actually use this level to base my risk off of and my entry. Um, and then this next level is where the end of these of the body on this candlestick and the end of this candlestick. So I found 318 to be a major level, and then that ended up being my first price target. And then my second price target was the end of this wick at 356 a share about. My second price target was not planning on holding to that. I usually never hold to a second price target, but it's just maybe I'll hold some after, but let's jump into it and why I took this trade. Just 1 second. Computer's being a little glitchy. So you can see this started to move pre-market, and here's market open, 9:30 a.m. So this was here's our 288 level, major level. You can see it's holding it, bouncing off this level, and I was looking to enter around this level if it held for a push to 318, my price target. Ended up hitting close to my price target. Um, so let's show my exact entries and exits. Oh, it's not showing it on this. Well, I'll show you that in a second. So here it is, market open, starts to spike above my level. Um, getting some action, and then a pullback. I entered around here at 288 a share. This is called the retest. Broken resistance, turned to support, and then it pushed from 288 to 302 a share. I honestly should have had a stop profit, but I didn't, and this thing just pulled back like crazy. I had my auto stop loss set at 281 a share, so I didn't get stopped out. So I stayed in my position. It ended up pushing again, and I sold at around 303 a share because I did not want to hold to my price target after this initial fast pullback. I just didn't trust it. And sure enough, it pulled back again. It was kind of weak, showcasing weakness. So I'm not gonna hold long because of that. So we're getting chopped here. It's holding this level. I was thinking about adding at one of these retest levels again, but I don't like to add retests the more they happen. But in this case, it would have worked out. We got some increasing volume right here, and we had a nice push up from 285 a share. 290 a share up to 316. I didn't play it. That's okay. I got about 4.5% over here. I didn't trust it. It was looking kind of weak. The level 2 and time to sales weren't looking the best. And you can see the stock is just failing as we speak. Um, I was when it came back down to this level, new traders will often be like, "Oh, it's dipping. I'm gonna buy in now." But like it broke this level. That's not good. This thing is just showcasing weakness, lost momentum. It's pushing down to its downside. Short sellers are winning. Um, you wanted to hold these levels. I honestly wanted stronger price action. I wanted it to hit 318 a lot better than this, not so choppy and such. So we didn't even get to considering our next price target. I was watching over here for a 318 break for a possible pullback to that 318 for another retest to push up to our next level, the 256 level I showed you guys already, which is I showed you guys already. So I'm going to show you my entries. Computer's being a little glitchy right now. So, yeah, like I said, I entered here at 288 a share, sold at 301 a share, not 303. But yeah, on the pullback, guys. I mean, after that first pullback, I was just locking in. I did not plan to hold this position for long. Was showcasing weakness. There wasn't much offered today on the stock screener. Kind of weak. Um, so yeah, guys, the retest strategy is a great strategy. You want to find these levels on the higher time frames to base your risks off of. And as always, you want increasing volume paired with these strong levels. So I think that's it. I think that's all I wanted to show you guys. Um, so stay tuned for my next video. All right, guys.